Hi, I'm Kurt Reichert, Regional Safety Manager at Ohio Transmission Corporation. I support all employees in the West Region for Laron Mechanical and Keller Electrical. I want to welcome all of you to this first in a series of safety-related videos in an effort to bring our day-to-day safety culture into brighter focus. The first video is about that very subject, safety culture. You see, culture is a set of core values. It's a lifestyle. It's a way of doing certain things generally because we've always done it that way or we've learned it from watching someone else do it. So in the context of safety culture, it's a set of learned behaviors that either keep us from harm or it puts others and ourselves at risk. A culture based upon excellence lives and dies on this concept, and that is personal ownership and responsibility in one's own safe behaviors and choices. So where does that leave us? Personal ownership and responsibility for our own safe behaviors and choices, and ultimately our safety culture. So what is our responsibility moving forward? First, take ownership of your own actions. Own your job site. Really search and mitigate observable hazards. When something doesn't look safe, it probably isn't. So address it. Do not just hope for the best and leave it for someone else. A very wise man once said, "He who is good for making excuses is not good for much else." Second, never walk past an unsafe act or condition. Taking ownership means if you see it, you own it, you address it. In a healthy culture, one has a sense of responsibility to not ignore things likely to hurt themselves or their teammates. Last point I want to make is the importance of stop work responsibility. Stop work is more than just a right, it is an obligation. When we notice an unsafe condition that is likely to hurt one of our friends or colleagues, we don't want to be that guy who walks past and then sees that friend or colleague get seriously hurt, knowing you could have done something to prevent it. Asking each one of us to take the personal ownership of our choices and behaviors. Commit to never walking past an unsafe act or condition, and honor our commitment to use our stop work responsibility whenever warranted. If we commit to those basic things, people will be safer and our friends and teammates will go home to their loved ones whole, healthy and whole after every job. I want to thank you, and I'll see you out on the next job.